Now this is going to be a slight bit of review as well on this. I got this from Amazon. Instead of being a paste, which like it comes in a little syringe, this one is quite easily, you've got to put it on. I don't know how good it will be, but we'll try it. I'm going to put it on the CPU and see how well it does. So there we go. It's been cleaned off, so it looks quite good. What I need to now is take this, open it up and have a look to see what's inside. Made in China. I don't know how well it will be, but I just need a thermal paste that just does the job. The air cool system that I have here should be sufficient to keep this cool enough. And this is what's going to be interesting, how I can put this on. Because I've never done these ones before. It seems more difficult than. Okay, so first you say. What I'll do, I'll fold it over, hold the edge like this, and then this is way too big for that. Then again, this one is going to be a couple of I'll just put it on there now. Now that is on. What I'm doing is, I am now putting pressure on the edges, putting the excess to the side. When I lift this thing up, it should just come off with it. Squeezing out now. When I do the squeezing on the edges, just coming off with my nails, so I'm just taking the excess off the thing. Alright, so what I've got here is a bit of a problem, as you can see. Just in a bit. The problem is, as I lifted the edge off, it moved a bit. By the way, if I did it a bit more carefully, I probably would have done an alright job. So this is the first problem you'll find. There you go. It overlapped. There's a little bubble appearing, but hopefully when the pressure of the coolant, air-cooled radiator should push it down enough.